Ed Schultz just told the truth for the first time in his life. This is impossible.
It could not be Ed Schultz. That could not be Ed
right?
Schultz.
That was an amazing admission. Let's go through that again and make sure we saw what we think we saw from Ed.
Two press conferences today. The first one, the new incoming Senate Majority Leader Mitch McConnell. Focused, to the point, very direct. The president later on, subject after subject, almost rambling, certainly looking for all the right words in a very conciliatory tone. But how far will the president actually go? Last night was a complete rejection of the President of the United States and what he stands for. You can't sugarcoat it. There were four main Democratic themes in this election that simply did not work. And Democrats focused on income inequality, the war on women, voting rights, and fighting bad trade deals. Now, those themes, well, they just didn't ring true with voters.
I love that.
Wow.
Ow. I'm surprised.
I give him credit on that.
You got to give him credit on that.
That is not in the character of Ed Schultz.
No, it's not.
I didn't think it was.
He just told the truth.
That's just straight out what happened.
It was a total rejection of Barack Obama and his policies, all of them.
Yeah. He is still pissed that Barack never came on with them.
He did not. Yeah. Well, maybe, but he didn't mention health care, so maybe he's kind of hedging a little bit there.
But income inequality.
Income inequality, that is great for him to notice that. The communist agenda of income inequality, come on. That's great.
Because war on women is one that's been sort of touted.
So stupid.
Because they lost easily winnable states like Colorado.
Right.
People are, so that one I've seen, the income inequality, to admit that. And
the voting rights thing is another great admission, because that thing is so bogus.
And, look, this is separate from it being important, but trade deals don't work with people. They don't care about them.
No.